If you are looking for a picturesque natural hot springs, it is hard to beat Utah's fifth water hot springs in Diamond Fork Canyon. Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. This is Fifth Water Hot Spring, a popular hot springs also known as Diamond Fork Hot Springs. It is an easy hike, 2.5 miles each way. It is a popular scenic hot springs in Utah. From the parking lot, you will be following Sixth Water Creek. About 1 mile into the hike, there will be a footbridge. You will cross over Sixth Water Creek. Then, follow along Fifth Water Creek up to the hot springs. Once you start smelling sulfur and the water starts turning to milky blue, that's a sign that you're getting close. The trail is a gentle incline, descending, and flat trail. The majority of the trail is shady too. There's a steep drop off to the creek in more than a few spots. The hike up to the springs is very enjoyable with the scenic views and sounds of the running water. I was surprised how red the dirt was. It looked like we were in southern Utah. I've heard a lot of people talk about Fifth Water Hot Spring snakes. Luckily, I've never seen a snake at this hot spring. Once you emerge into an opening with no shade, you'll be there. The hot springs are hard to miss because you walk right up to them. The hot springs themselves are really beautiful. It's no wonder most locals place this high on their bucket list. it might be a good idea to walk around to the different pools to test out the temperatures. Some are very hot, some are lukewarm. The closer to the waterfalls, the hotter the water is. Many of the rocks are coated in a slimy, white sulfur residue, and it can make them quite slippery. We had the place to ourselves for at least 30 minutes before campers and other hikers joined us. These hot springs was a real treat, and the trail itself was just as beautiful. If you are near Salt Lake City, this hike should definitely be on your list of fun things to do. Have you been to Fifth Water Hot Springs? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!